Oh, would you look at that? That whole thing is pretty burnt the heck up. This whole plug is burned out. So did I just get burned or did I just get shocked? This damn truck's falling apart.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another video. So today we are going to be replacing the headlight switch in the 12-valve Cummins, and we're also going to be making a new faceplate for it. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the headlight switch so that he'll have headlights, taillights, and dash lights again.
Yep.
My dash bezel is out. It was only 4 screws and 2 electrical plugins.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the switch out here for the headlights. That's just gonna be 3 screws. So they're just Phillips. Nothing fancy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh, you know, this headlight switch actually looks pretty new. And I think I see the problem. Up in here, this whole plug is burned out. Melted out.
You're right.
So when I bought the switch, I didn't get the one with the plug because I was thinking, oh, why would I need that? Oh, would you look at that? That whole thing is pretty burnt the heck up.
Lesson learned, I guess.
So I wonder if I plug it back in and make sure that thing is actually in there, if it would work. Yeah, the wire is all burnt up looking and everything. Oh yeah, that whole thing is just toasty.
Yep.
So it would go on that one. I got dash lights.
Yeah.
So when it was jiggling around, how much you want to bet it was just that
It just wasn't
wire?
connected all the way? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I was thinking. Because I was like, obviously, I mean, something about it still worked because it would randomly work, you know?
Yeah. Now it makes sense. So that thing is pretty burnt up, pretty toasted.
Yeah.
I don't know. Pretty much the way I see it is I can leave it like this and it'll eventually fall back out.
Well, you might have to just do that for now.
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
Well, yeah, because now you know what the problem is. So it's like, just try to get it clipped in as best as you can so that you have lights for now while you wait on the actual part you need.
And one thing that I don't mind is now I have an extra part. One thing about this truck is it's 23 years old now. It's going to be starting to not have parts available pretty soon for it. So if I can stock up now, then, you know, 20 years down the road, if this part's not available, I just got one sitting on my shelf if I need it.
Yeah.
Because I want to keep this truck forever. Alright, just going to shove her back in there.
That concentration face, though.
Still got dash lights. This damn truck's falling apart.
Yeah, it is. No, you know what's falling apart? My car. We can't buy parts for it. Like,
Hey, what was I just saying?
yeah, I know. Really, guys, a giant pet peeve of mine right now is my damn Subaru. I love it, but I have no idea what to do with it anymore. I really don't. Everything is breaking, and I literally cannot buy parts for it. I mean, I'm sure maybe possibly somewhere I could get some custom stuff made, but when's that gonna happen? Probably never. I don't know what to do with it right now. I really don't. I don't even have a speedometer because there's no speedo cables on the freaking planet for it that I can find. And none of the other gauges work anyways. Haven't since I bought it because those dash gauge clusters or whatever are just shit. So, I don't know. If you guys have any recommendations as to what to do with the Subaru, I mean, I kind of am down for engine swapping it. But then we come into the problem of things like that damn digital dash. So, if you've got any ideas or would like to see anything happen with that car, drop a comment down below. Figure out what's going on with that. Kyler went ahead and took the faceplate off. Yeah, and so as you can see what we did with this gauge, with the ABS plastic, just to use this as a cover, that's basically what we're gonna do with this instead. No real reason except it will match and we'll have more of this going on elsewhere, if you could see. Simple really. Kyler just traced this on the big sheet of the ABS plastic and then used a little hacksaw to cut it out. Obviously it's not perfect, but it should be covered up by that. He also put some grooves in the back for the epoxy. I'm a little concerned it's not gonna like stick very well, but I guess we'll find out. Next he's gonna go ahead and put some grooves into this too to hopefully make it stay. But so yeah, that's the next step. Gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll be able to drill a hole through this, and then we'll be able to put this back in there and then reassemble everything. It should be good to go. All right, just gonna go ahead and start epoxying it.
Hopefully, maybe. I don't know if that worked or not. Oh no, one of them's not coming out because it's a 2-part solution. Is it seized?
Uh-oh. Use damn muscles.
Oh, I don't want a bunch of that other one, you know? Needs to be like that. Go ahead and... Yeah, maybe I should have just used JB Weld.
Use an old-fashioned water bottle.
Alright, so it's a 1 minute set time. It's probably already been 30 seconds, whatever, but I'm gonna give it 5 minutes, minute, whatever. I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll see what I'm feeling like. Alright, so it's still moving around on it.
Yeah.
But it is sticking to it, at least.
Yeah, it's probably gonna take more than a couple minutes.
Yeah. 1 minute set time is maybe just like a 1 minute till it's sticky.
Yeah, pretty much.
Either that or I just didn't use enough solution of the really thick stuff, and that'll suck if it doesn't work.
So I advise against this because it is not sealed 100% yet, but Kyler is starting to try to drill, and might I add, straight into his console?
Gotta make sure it's centered. Yeah.
Just impatient. You just like clamp it and like leave it alone for like
A day and a half.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's still sticky stuff.
So yes, we are staying in the truck with it on because it's cold outside. But it's done. Kyler got the hole drilled in it, and really it's only been sitting for a couple minutes, so
I dropped it though and it didn't fall off.
But anyways, gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and this should hopefully keep it in place. But yeah, then these two will match, and I'm sure we'll come up with other stuff in the future to do this too.
Yep.
Good job.
So did I just get burned or did I just get shocked?
I can smell it. Are you okay?
Damn.
Did it hurt worse than the washer dryer plug-in?
It feels like a burn, not a shock. Like straight up, it feels like that was just hot as piss. Yeah, that's just hot as piss.
It smells like a burnt wire.
That makes me want to just change out the plug. Or the headlight switch. I mean, that thing is so warm. So right there. Yeah. I guess we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Alright, so when you push the rod and it'll kind of click into place, and then you gotta hold the plate up here and then screw the like lock nut, whatever thing on, and then Just get it kind of finger tight. And then there's going to be 3 little Phillips screws that hold that plate to the plastic. Alright, so I'm going to get these screws in real quick. And yeah.
There was a little bit of smoke that was coming out, which is not cool. And it is incredibly hot, so Kyla's just going to go ahead and replace the switch.
That's really warm. And I bet if I held the metal, it would burn me again. I mean, it looks pretty new.
I don't know. I'm too tired for this. Alright, so here's a quick look at it before we put the dash bezel back on. Looking pretty good. Yeah, very similar to the oil pressure gauge. So alright, let's go ahead and get this back on now. And that should be a wrap.
Okay, so gotta plug that bad boy in.
And then plug that bad boy in.
Now.
There now. There now.
And then snap it in.
Snap, crackle, pop. There's the pop.
And that looks good. I like that. Alright.
So now you can probably get a little bit better shot. Sorry about the lighting.
So there's that. You kind of can see a little bit.
That's...
And then there's the new over here.
Yep. And now they match a little bit better, so that's a positive.
Kind of just cleans it up a little bit.
Yeah. I felt like this one was really out of place. Like, I really like it, like the way it looks, but it's the only thing in here with that texture. So it's like you have to incorporate more of that texture in here.
Actually, my pillar is that too.
And this. But it's different. It's different.
And then we're also going to put the ABS plastic across here, and that's where I'm going to disassemble the AFC Live and put the controls on for it right there. And then we'll probably have fuel pressure up here, so we'll need to put plastic up there as well. And then maybe other gauges if I need them.
Alrighty, so just ended up replacing the headlight switch and made that new cover for it so that it would match and just look a little bit cleaner. I don't know, I really like it.
Me too.
Yeah, I think it looks really good. I mean, yeah, you do get rid of like the details telling you what the switch does, but
after 3 years, I think I know what the switch does.
yeah, I mean, I think it just looks really nice. But if you guys like this video, please give it a like because it would really help us out. And one thing I noticed the other day, guys, okay, 86% of you watching this video or any of my videos aren't subscribed to this channel. And I mean, yeah, we don't have very many subscribers, but that's kind of insane. So if you're watching this, you might as well hit that big red subscribe button below the video and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on our future videos. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and